and how to write a join query. So we started equi-join. So to perform equi-join between the two tables, there must be a common field. So equi-join is performed on common field. So in this example, we are performing equi-join on what? Department number. If department numbers are equal, so join. Here 10 is equal to 10, join. 20 is equal to 20, join. 30 is equal to 30, join. So this record is joined to this record. Okay, then. So these two rows becomes what? These two rows becomes one row. Join means that's okay. Then the two records becomes one record. From this record, what you want to select? I want to select name, salary, D name, location. So okay. No. Okay. And so once again, if you write query like this, okay, you're writing join condition like this. EMP dot department number equals to department dot department number. You're writing join condition like this. So what is the left side value compared with what? Right side value. 10 compared with 10. Okay, now? Then match found or not? Yes. Now tell me this compared after match found. Okay. Next 10 is compared with other records or not? 10. This 10 is compared with 10. Equal. Join. Next is this 10 is compared with other records? Yes. Let us say, suppose in department table, department number is not primary key. Listen, in department table, department number is not primary key. 10 compared with 10, equal, join. 10 is also compared with 20. 10 is also compared with 30. 10 is compared with 40. 20 is compared with 10, 20, 30, 40. 30 is also compared with all the 4. This is also compared with all the 4. Okay, na? Then. Suppose in department table, department number is primary key. 10 compared with 10. Match found. Once match found, this is not compared with other records. Sir, understood? If department table, department number is primary key, this 10 is compared with 10. Once match found, this is joined, and this is not compared with what? Other records. Because primary key doesn't contain what's that? Duplicates. Okay, now? So next 20 compared with what's that? 10. Not matching. 20 compared with what? 20. Matching. Join. Next, this is not compared with what? Other records. 30 compared with 10. Not matching. 20. Not matching. 30. Match found. Once match found, this is joined to this one. And it's not compared with next records. 20 compared with 10. 20 compared with 20. Join. And 20 is not compared with other records. Once match found, it joined the records and it will not continue the comparison. Comparison is stopped. Understood? If this is not primary key, then this 10 is compared with what? All the 4. 20 is compared with all the 4. That is the difference. If you take primary key, if you don't take primary key. Understood? So then in department table, department number is primary key. Number of comparisons will be reduced. Performance what's it? Improves. Understood? Like in interviews, okay, na? They'll ask something like this. Boss, I'll write like this. Will you get the same output or different output? you write this condition, if I write this condition, they try to ask like this. They try to confuse. You get the same output or different output. In programming languages, there are two variables. I write condition like this, A equal to B, then something. Otherwise, I write B equal to A. Then both will give the same. That's all. Here also. A equal to B, B equal to A. Is that okay now? Both give the same. Now, so if I write left side, right side, right side, left side, will give the same output or different output? Same output. If you want, you can check. Yesterday we have written a query. Select what E dot E name, D dot D name from EMPE. Next one. Inner join department D on E dot department number equals to D dot department number. So, and Smith is working for research like this, yes or no? Okay, na? Then suppose let's change the condition. Let's change the condition, run the query. Same output or not? Yes. Left side, right side, right side, left side. If you change, no difference. Output wise, there is no difference. Difference will be there in performance. Output wise, no difference. Difference is there in what, sir? Performance. So always, sir, anywhere, left side value is compared with each and every value of the right side. Left side value is compared with right side value. So if you write like this 10 is compared with 10. Once match one, then, so this is join, but here this is not compared with other records. In department table, department number is primary key. Usually, definitely in real-time tables, this will be what? Primary key. So once match found and join, and this is not compared with other records. Okay. So 20, like you know that 20 compared with 10, 20 compared with 20, match found. Once match found, so this is not continued. Okay. Then suppose if I write like this, what's it? What we are doing? Comparing the department table, department number with what? Employee table, department number. So this 10 is compared with what, sir? 10, match found. Even once match found also, comparison is continued. Why? Because this is foreign key, na? Foreign may contain duplicates. Foreign key may contain duplicates. Yes or no? So 10 compared with 10. 10 should be compared with 20. 10 should be compared with 30. 10 should be compared with 20. So that means it has to compare with what, sir? All. So this 20 should be compared with all. 30 should be compared with all. 40 should be compared with all. But if you write like this, then once match found, then stops. It doesn't need to compare with other records. So which is good? Comparing foreign key with primary key is good. Comparing primary key with foreign key is good. Comparing foreign key with primary key is what? Good for better performance. Always compare foreign key with what? Primary key. So that's why keep left side what? Foreign key. Right side what's it? Primary key. For better performance. Understood? Then. Okay. So, like in previous examples, you are joining two tables. Okay. Next. What this is? Joining what? More than two tables. Joining more than two tables. Here if number of tables increases, what? Number of conditions also increases. Okay. To join two tables, how many conditions? One condition. To join three tables, two conditions. N tables, n minus 1. So if number of join conditions increases, if number of tables increases, number of join conditions also increases. To join n tables, how many conditions? N minus 1 join conditions required. Okay, now. So if tables increases, number of join conditions increases. To join n tables, n minus 1 join conditions required. Okay, now. Next. Let's take one example. Okay, one example. So I'm just taking employee table. Same. Employee, what's that? Number, employee name, salary, department number. So this table contains department number. So there is one table. What the table is? Department table. One field is department number, department name, location is there in department table. Yes, location is there. What the location column contains? Some locations, like for example, what's it? New York, like this. Some location, city. That means where this department is located, in which city. Okay, that. So, but in this, I'm not taking the location, okay, city name. I'm taking location ID, code. I'm not storing the name. I'm storing what? Code. Location ID, code. I'm not storing the name, storing the code. Okay, every location, some code is there. I'm storing that code. There is one table, but this location details are stored in one table. What is the table? Locations table. Then what is that is? Location ID. What? City. Next one. What is that is? State. Next one. Country ID. Country ID. Location ID, city, state, country ID. Okay, then the location details are stored in locations table. Location ID, that location, that ID represents what city, and the city belongs to what state, the state belongs to which country, what country. And I'm not storing country name, I'm storing country ID. And the country details are stored in another table. What the table is? Countries table. Then what? Country ID. Country ID. Next. Country ID. Next one. Country name. Next one. That's all. Country ID, country name. Okay. So like there are 4 tables. Okay. Then one stores employees data. One store department details. One store location details, one store country details. I want to join these 4 tables. Because why you want to join? Because I want to display E name, D name, city, state, country name. I want to join these 4 tables because I want this output. Name, D name, city, state, country. E name and E name belongs to employee table. D name belongs to department table. City and state belongs to locations table. Country name belongs to countries table. So this is employee table. This is department table. This is locations table. This is countries table. So the data belongs to what? 4 tables. You have to join the 4 tables. Okay, then. So once again, like how to get the department names. Okay, then. So you want to join these 4 tables. Then, like how to get the department names. Huh? How to get the department names. How to get the department names first. Then I want to get department names. Then how to get the department names. To get the department names, join this one. EMP table. EMP table contains department number, but user is asking department name. How to get the department name? Join this EMP table with department table. After joining this EMP table with department table, you'll get the department name. Yes or no? Okay, na? Based on department number. Next, after joining these 2 tables, EMP table and department table, based on the department number, you can get the department name. You'll get the location ID. User is not asking the location ID. Okay, then user is not asking the location ID. User is asking what? City and state. If you know location ID, how to get the city and state? Join department table with what? Locations table. After joining these 2 tables, then what? After joining these 2 tables, then you'll get the what? City, state, and country ID. But user is not asking country ID. You want to see the country name. Then to get the country name, join locations table with what? Countries table. So you'll get the country name. Now one join is between employee in the department to get the department name. One join is between department and locations to get the city, state. One join is between locations and countries to get the country name. Okay, na? Country name. Then. That's all. In writing join queries, what is important is joining 2 tables, joining 3 tables, 4 tables, 5 tables. Even if 10 tables are same thing, you have to follow. Okay, then. Now let's write the query. What? Select what? Select e dot e name. E dot e name. D dot d name. Because d name belongs to department table, I'll take the alias d. Locations L dot city, L dot state. Country C dot country name. Country name. From what? From what? EMP. From EMPE. Next, inner join what? Department D. Next, department D. Then next one, what's her? On what? On. So join these 2 tables. I want to get the department name. To get the department name, join this EMP table with department table. E dot what? Department number equals to D dot department number. Okay, na? Then. So join these 2 tables based on this condition. Next one. After joining this, you'll get the D name and location. But user is asking what's it? City and state. So to get the city and state, join department table with what? Locations table. What we have to join? We have to join this department table with locations table. Location department table is already there now. Then what we have to write? We have to write inner join like what? Locations L on. Okay, na? Understood or not? Sir, first these two tables are joined. Okay, na? Next, and the result is joined with what? Locations table. Okay. You want to join this with locations table based on what condition? Sorry, you want to get the city and state. How to get the city and state? Compare the department table location ID with what? Locations table location ID. Okay, na? Now we are at the department table. You want city and state. Then take this location ID. Go to locations table. Find out the matching location ID. Then you'll get the city and state. What is the condition? D dot what? Location ID equal to L dot location ID. So you are comparing this location ID with this location ID, you'll get the city and state. Next, I want, after joining these two tables, you'll get the country ID. I want country name. Then join locations table with what? Countries table. Based on the country ID, you'll get the country name. Then what is this is? Inner join countries C. Next one, on L dot what? Country ID equal to C dot country ID. Okay, L dot country ID equal to C dot country ID. That's all. So one is between EMP table and department table based on this condition. Another is between department table and locations table based on this condition. Another between locations and countries table based on this condition. Okay. Okay, so then so this is what joining what's that? Multiple tables. First identify which two tables you can join. What is the condition? Okay, then here sir, locations table is joined with which table? Department table. How you are saying it is joined with the department table? Because the EMP table or department table based on this condition. Here, what is the condition? Department table location ID is compared with locations table location ID. That means this locations table is joined with EMP table or department table based on this condition, according to this condition. Okay, na? Then. So you want to join locations table with employee table. Just assume that. Then what we have to write? Here you have to write E dot. Okay, na? If you write E dot means EMP table is joined with locations table. If you write D dot means department table is joined with what? Locations table. But here according to in this example, what you have to join department table locations table, employee table locations, department table and locations, because these two tables sharing a common field, location ID. So you have to join department table with locations table. Understood? This is how to join multiple tables in SQL. Even if 10 tables, 20 tables out there, follow the same procedure. Okay, na? That's it. Okay then. Next. Next one is like, so then, sir, if you perform like inner join, if you perform inner join between these two tables, so this is selected. If you do inner join between these two tables, this is selected. Yes. This is selected. Yes. This is selected. Yes. This is selected. Yes. This is selected. No. Why? Null. It's not matching with any record in department table. So this is not selected. Okay. From department, this is selected. Yes. This one. Yes. This one. Yes. This one. No. Because it's not matching with any record in employee table. So these two records are not selected if you do the inner join between these two tables, because these two records are unmatched. So this is not matching with any record in employee department table. This is not matching with any record in employee table. What these two records are called? These two records are called unmatched records. So that means inner join returns only matching, but it will not return what? Unmatched records. But I want to see these unmatched records also. To see the unmatched records, what we need to do is we need to perform what's it? Outer join. This is the only difference between inner join and outer join. Inner join won't return unmatched records, but you want to see the unmatched records also, then outer join. Outer join returns unmatched records also. So this is the only difference between inner join and outer join. Okay, then. Now let's see. So what is outer join? Inner join returns only matching records, but won't return what? Unmatched records. Returns only matching records, but won't return unmatched records. Okay. But to get unmatched records also, okay, na? But to get unmatched records also, then, but to display unmatched records, perform what? Perform outer join. So inner join returns only matching, but won't return unmatched records. But to display unmatched records, perform outer join. That's all. This is the only difference. Okay, then. What are the unmatched records? Okay, what are the unmatched records? So these two are unmatched records. Okay, then. So this is what? One unmatched, and this is one unmatched. So these two records are called unmatched records. Okay, then. Can I? Ah, okay. So unmatched records are there in which table? Both the tables. So it's there in this table and it is there in department table, employee table, department. Both tables contains unmatched. But here one table is called left side table. One table is called right side table. One table is one left side. One table is right side. Which is left side? Which is right side? It's not based on the screen. Left side, right side. It is based on the query. Here in this, so here you're writing query like this. Here, which is left side? EMP is left side, department is right side. Which is left side, which is right side depends on the from class. Depends on from. So here one table is called left side, one table is right side table. And so outer join is what? Outer join is what, sir? Three types. Okay. So one is left join, next right join, next third one full join. Outer join is three types: left join, right join, full join. Okay. Okay. Then you want unmatched records only from left side table. You want unmatched records from left side table. Then left join. You want unmatched records only from right side table. Right join. You want unmatched records from both the tables. Full join. That's her. Sometimes you want what? Only left side table. Sometimes you want unmatched records only from right side. You want unmatched records from both. Then full join. Okay. So then. So first let's see what left join. Left join. So what is the definition of left join? Left join returns what? All rows. All rows. All means what? Matched plus unmatched. All rows from which table? Left side table. And matching rows from right side table. All from left side matching from right side. Okay. All from left side matching from right side. Okay, now, so write the query. Everything same was like inner join. Same query, but only what changes is output changes plus also, okay, then same thing. Just see this. Here, same query, but only one small difference in writing the query. Here we don't use this keyword. We don't use this inner join keyword. What is the keyword we use? Left join. That's all. Left join. So to this keyword, which is the left side? EMP is left side, department is right side. EMP is left side, department is right side. Okay, na? Then, so what this gives? Sir, here 1 second. I don't need location, like leave it. Just CNAME and DNAME is enough now. One field from employee table, one field from department table. Then I run the query. If I run the query, so what is the output? Just guess the output. E-name, D-name. I'm selecting E-name and D-name. I'm performing left outer join. So what is this query returns? All from EMP table, matching from department table. So tell me, A, what? A? Sir, I'm asking the output, E-name and D-name. A, accounts. B, research. C, sales. D, Y, operations. Then, sir, here, same line, not same line. Okay, na? Then, here, department number, 20, research. So, D, research. Now, E is selected or not selected? Selected. If you do inner join, E is not selected. But if you do left join, E is selected or not? Yes. So, this is the output you'll get. What is this query returns? All from then. So, the above query, like returns all rows from EMP and all from EMP matching rows from DEPT. So this is the output you'll get. A, accounts. A, accounts. B, research. C, sales. D, accounts. E, null. What is this is? This is what's that? Unmatched from EMP. A, accounts. B, research. C, sales. D, accounts. E, null. So this is unmatched from EMP. Okay, then. Okay. What the advantage of this is, okay, what the advantage of like outer join, left outer. It is giving, okay, all the records from employee. But what is the advantage of this? By seeing this output, so they will identify who are assigned to the department, who are not assigned to the department. What is this information? What information this gives? Who are assigned to the department, who are not assigned. A, B, C, D are assigned to the department, but E is not assigned to any department. Then what they will do? They will assign this employee to some department. Understood? So every report gives some information. Okay, na? Every report gives some information. So then this gives information about who are assigned, who are not assigned. Let me test this query. Let me run this query in SQL Server. Sir, this is inner join. This is inner join output. How many rows selected? How many rows selected? 14 rows. Now let's do left outer. So just I'm changing the keyword. I'm changing the keyword. Left join. Then run this here. Now. So if you do left join also, how many rows selected? 14 rows. If you do inner join, 14 rows. If you do left join, 14 rows. There is no difference. Why there is no difference? There is no unmatched record. See, when you can see the difference, you can see the difference. If unmatched records are there, you can see the difference. If there is no unmatched record, then both are what's the same. Okay. Okay, na? Then so then let's do one thing. Let's what's it? I want to see the difference. If you want to see the difference, then do one thing. You insert one unmatched record just for testing. Okay, insert. How to insert? Insert into EMP values number, employee number. Suppose what? Some number. Let's see EMP NO. Next one. E-name, salary, department number. Values. Employee number is something 444. Name is ABC. Salary is 3000. Department number is null. Department number is null means it is unmatched or not? Yes. So I inserted one unmatched record. Okay, na? Now run the query. Run the query. So this is the query. Then now let's first perform inner join. Just check whether the new record is selected or not. Just now we inserted a new row. Check whether it is inserted, displayed or not. No. New record selected or not? Not selected because it is unmatched. So inner join returns only matching. Now let's try left join. So I'm running this left join. Now see this. The new record is selected or not? Yes. ABC. What about the department name? None. So all these 14 employees are assigned to department, but this 15th employee not assigned to any department. So what this is? Unmatched row. Okay. Then that's all. What the next one is? Next one is what? Right join. Then same thing. What is this returns? Returns what? All rows. All rows from right side table and matching rows from left side table. All from right side matching from left side. Okay. So everything is same, only the keyword changes. Okay. Then what? What are the keyword? What are the keyword? Right. Keyword is right. Okay. Then so what is the output? What is this query gives? All rows from department table. All rows from department table. Matching rows from EMP table. Suppose if I run the query on these two tables, what I will get? I run that query on these two tables. What I will get? A accounts, B research, C sales, D research. Next one. E selected or not selected? Not selected because it will not select all the rows from employee table. It will select unmatched records from department table. Operations is selected or not? Yes. It selects all the rows unmatched records from right side table. What the right side table is? Department table. Okay. Then so what the output you'll get? You get this output. A what? Accounts. B research. C sales. D accounts. Sorry. D research. Next one, this is null. What is this is operations. What is this is unmatched from what's it? Department table. Unmatched from department. And what is the use of this? Okay, what is the use of this? This gives some information. What information it gives? Which departments are empty? Which departments are not empty? Which departments are empty? Which departments are not empty? Accounts is not empty. Research is not empty. Sales is not empty. Research is not empty. But operations is empty. The previous one gives who are assigned to the department, who are not assigned to the department. Here, which department is empty, which departments are not empty. Okay, then. So, next. Understood? Then. So, if you want, you can test. Run this query. Then see this here. Now, so accounts, research, sales. Next, what's it? Operations. Operations. But no employee working for operations. This operations is unmatched. Okay, then. That's all. Understood? But again, so they'll ask what is like inner join. What is the difference between inner join and outer join? You give the difference. Inner join returns matching. Outer join gives unmatched also. Okay, na? Types, 3 types. Left, right, full. What is the difference between left outer and right outer? Then left outer gives unmatched from left side. Right outer gives unmatched from right side. Okay, this is okay. But they try to confuse. What that is, they'll ask like this. From what? EMPE, then what's it? Left join department D. Okay, na? Sir, I want all the records from employee table. I want all the records. My requirement is I want all the records from employee table. Then I do left join. Yes or no? Then what he will see? He want unmatched records from department table. What he will say? Boss, I'll write like this. DPTD left join EMB. Understood or not? What this gives? All the unmatched records from employee table. This gives unmatched records from department table. Both are what? Left join only. This is left join. This is also left join. What I'm changing is changing the tables. They try to confuse. They'll ask like this. What they will ask? Boss, one join is enough now. Left join is enough. Then why they introduce a left, right, full? Understood or not? You got it? Then one is enough. Just you change the tables. Okay. If you want all the records from EMP table, so keep EMP table left side, department table right side. You want all the records from department table, keep department left side, EMP table right side. Then why they introduce a left outer, right outer like this? So what is recommended is for better performance, child table should be left side, parent table should be right side, foreign key table should be left side, primary key table should be right side for better performance. I explained the reason earlier. Same thing. Keep what? Foreign key table what, sir? Left side. Primary key table should be right side for better performance. So that is why. So don't change these tables. Left side should be always child, foreign key table. Right side should be primary key table. So what you have to change? You have to change what's the join type. Change the join type. Understood now? So change the join type. Okay. What are the next? Full join. What is full join returns? Returns what? All rows from what? Both the tables. All rows from both. Okay. Then now what is the keyword we use? That's a full. Keyword is full join. So then it returns all rows from what? This query returns all rows from both the tables. Returns all rows from EMP table and department table. What the output you'll get? A accounts. What is this is? B what? Research. C sales. Next D what? D research. Next E selected or not selected? Selected. What is this department name? Department name is null. Next one more is there. Operations. Then so this is what? What this is? This is unmatched from EMP. And what is this is? This is what's it? Unmatched from DEPT. So this gives both. Okay. Now, so run this. Just change this keyword. Sir, actually 14 rows are matching. 14 matching. One unmatched record is there in EMP, one unmatched record is there in department. Now tell me, this returns how many rows? 16 rows. 14 matching. One unmatched from EMP, one unmatched from department. Total how many rows? 16 rows. You see this here? 16 rows. Okay. What this is? Unmatched from EMP. What this is? Unmatched from department. So total 16 rows. That's it. So this is what pull out a join. Okay, na? Just your some extra records are there. You want to see that extra records, then you are performing what? Outer join. Okay, then. Now. So then this is joins. Okay, like they are joining two tables, A, B. Okay, na? Then. So maximum in real time you come across the joins. If we can able to write the queries for the joins, that's enough. If we can able to write the queries for this, tell me what is this is inner join. Inner join returns only matching. Okay. What is this is left outer. All from left side. Matched plus unmatched. This is matched. This is what? Unmatched. Matched plus unmatched. This is right outer join. All from right side table. This is what? Full outer join. Now you know the query for this. Yes. You know the query for this. You know the query for this. You know the query for this. Yes. What is this is? This one. What is this first of all? What is this is? What is the difference bar? This and this. Difference is this is what? Matched plus unmatched. This is only unmatched. Not inner join. Inner join returns only matching. This is only unmatched. Unmatched from left side. Unmatched from right side. Unmatched from both. Okay, na? But what you learned up to now, you learned this query. You know, you can write this query. You know, we have seen this query and we have written this query. We have written this query. But what you don't know is you don't know this. Then now question is like inner join returns only matching. Outer join returns matched plus unmatched. But what do you want to see? You want to see only unmatched. Only unmatched. I want to see only unmatched. Unmatched from left side, unmatched from right side, unmatched from both. Then how to display unmatched records? What? Displaying what's that? Unmatched records. No. Displaying unmatched records. So then I want to display unmatched records from left table, left side table. I want only unmatched records from left side table. How? I want to display unmatched records from left side table. How? Okay, na? Then, sir, once again. See, first of all, first of all, this is the query. Once again, then this is the query. So what is this is? Once again, see, this is left join. What is this returns? Matched plus unmatched from end. But you want only unmatched records. I don't want matched. I want to see only unmatched record. Then how to see unmatched records? First, so run this, execute this, and see the output. Then I want to select only this. Then find out the condition to select only this. Find the condition to select only this record. Tell me what is the condition to select. Sir, if it is unmatched record from EMP means compulsory department name will be null. If it is unmatched record from EMP table means compulsory department name will be null. Find the record whose department name is null. Then then what? Where where D name is what? Null, boss. Where D name is null. Then let's see this. What? Where what? D name is what? Null. Department name is null. So select the record whose department name is null. Department name is null means it is unmatched record from EMP table. Yes or no? No. So now it's selecting only unmatched record. Okay, then that's it. So extra one condition. What that condition is? D name equals to null. That's it. What the output you'll get in our example? If you take our example, E, then it will show E. What about the department name? Null. Output is E null. Next. What the next one is? The right side table. Right side table. Then what? Right side table. I want unmatched records from right side table. So then I want unmatched records from right side table. First perform right outer join. First perform the right outer join. Okay, then once again, see, first perform what? Right join. Right join. Then see, you are getting this one. What is this is? This is unmatched from department. I want to display only this. I want to display only this. I want unmatched record from department table. What is the condition? So if it is unmatched from department means employee details are null or null. Yes. And select the record whose name is null. Okay. Then what is the condition? Where E dot E name is null. E name is null. Then see this. So it is displaying only unmatched record from department table. So okay na? Then. So first perform the right outer join. Next find out the condition. What the output is? Output is what, sir? Null what? Operations. Okay. Next. What are the next? Next one is what? Full join. Like, sorry. Let's say what's that? I want unmatched records from what? Both tables. I want unmatched records from both tables. This is unmatched records from only left side. Unmatched records from right side. I want unmatched records from both. Then first perform what? Full join. Perform the full join. Find the join condition. Find the condition. Okay. Then now let's see. This is what? Full join. Now this is the output. I want to select these two. I want to select these two. Then what? D name is null, select. E name is null, select. Then, sir, if D name is null, select. E name is null, select. Then you'll get both. Yes or no? Then how to write the condition? Where E dot E name, not comma, not end. We have to follow the syntax of conditions. You cannot write as you like. When you're writing the condition, you have to follow the syntax. Don't forget this where condition syntax. Column name, operator, value. You have to follow the syntax. Okay, na? Then E name. E name is null. E name is null. Next. End. E name is null. And D dot D name is null. That means here end means both conditions should be true. Both conditions should be true. That means here, let's come to this one. Here, what is null? D name is null, but E name is not null. Then condition what? False. Selected or not selected? Not selected. It go to the next one. What is null? Ename is null, but dname is not null. But our condition is end. End means both should be true. Both are true, then only selected. Then let's run this. What is the output? You will not get any output because no rows are satisfying both conditions. Bas. What is the meaning? If you write like this, ename should be null, dname should be null. Not possible. Yes or no? Then what? If ename is null, select. If dname is null, select. That means you have to use one R. If ename is null, select. If dname is null, select. Then you have to use R. Now let's run this. Okay, then. Sir, okay na? So what is the operator we have to use? Here we have to use what? R. That's it. So what is this is? This is what's it? Unmatched records from what? Both the tables. So this is null, and what is this is operations. You are getting both. Okay. Okay. Now, now you can write queries for all this. Huh? Now you can write queries for all this. You can write queries for this. Now you can write query for this. Yes. You can write query for this. Yes. You can write query for this. Yes. Now you can write queries for all this. Yes or no? No. Okay now? Then. So maximum in real time, what's it? Maximum real time. You come across this 7. You come across this 7. So if you can able to write this 7, then what? Okay, then. So what is this is? This one. Inner join between 3 tables. Inner join between 3 tables. Sir, okay na? Inner join between 3 tables. Okay, then. You can write this, yes or no? We have seen. Like okay then. So we'll continue this tomorrow.
సో ఈ కేసులో లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఇది పెట్టుకున్నా రైట్ సైడ్ ఇది పెట్టుకున్నా ఇది ఇలా సెట్ చేసి ఇలా సెట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ నుంచి మనకి ఇక్కడ మెస్ డేటా ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ లెస్ డేటా ఉంటుంది మనకి రిజల్ట్ అనేది సేమ్ వచ్చినప్పుడు సెర్చింగ్ కూడా అలాగే ఉంటుంది సార్ అంటే మనం రైట్ రాసినా లెఫ్ట్ రాసినా
అదే ఇక్కడ ప్రైమరీకి కాదనుకోండి, ప్రైమరీకి అనుకోండి, దెన్ వన్స్ కండిషన్ 2 అయితే నెక్స్ట్ వాటిని కంపేర్ చేయదు. ఓకేనా? దెన్ మా ఫారెన్ కీని ప్రైమరీ కీ తోటి కంపేర్ చేయి, బెటర్ పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్.
కానీ బేసిక్ గా మనకి డూప్లికేట్ డేటా కూడా కావాలి అనుకుంటే ఆ కేసులో ప్రైమరీ కీ
అప్పుడు ప్రైమరీ కీ అనేది కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉండదు కదా, ఉండదు కదా అప్పుడు.